It's been a while since I filmed a video, so I kind of forgot everything and how. Give me a second. Bum bum ba-dum. Ta-da! Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back. Okay, so today we are gonna unbox the new MacBook Pro with the M2 chip Pro. Okay, let's see. As you can tell by the choice of color, the silver one. Wow, look how beautiful. Yeah, that's so pretty. It's just very securely seated, you know? It's safe. It's so comfortably sat. But anyway, talking about the size, this is the 14-inch. The silver color, you know, it's always such a nice color, because although my previous one is a space gray one, I feel the silver one is so original, if I could say. I don't know how to say, but that's the MacBook, you know. But of course, space gray is a really beautiful one. So let's jump into what comes in the box. Right off the bat, we have the typical information that comes with the MacBook, with the packaging, I mean, as well as the chargers. I actually want to talk about the chargers because I feel that this material, okay, it's the first time I see this material of charger. I actually got surprised because the previous MacBooks that I have, you know, like one from 2019 and one whatever, they don't have that, you know, so this material, and I feel like this is so nice. Turning it on, oh my gosh, it's exciting. So we've got the SDXC card slot, then we've got the Thunderbolt USB-C. So this is for like the charger, obviously. And then we have the HDMI. On the other side, okay, we have got the MagSafe 3, then another of the USB-C, and then the headphone jack. So cool! Alrighty, let's, oh my gosh, okay, let's open it up, okay. It's gorgeous. Did you hear that? I'm so excited. By the way, guys, I swear this is like the first time of me opening it. I'm not even joking. Look at how elegant that is. That is just so seamless. So wow. Thing I want to ask you guys as an opinion. What do you like more? The MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro, and why? Because I'm really interested to know. I've always, since a long time, as you guys may know, always went for the MacBook Pro. This time it was actually also debatable, should I get the Air or Pro? I got the 1TB one, which has the 12 CPU, I believe, 12-core CPU and the 19-core CPU. So, also I want to note that this has the Touch ID as well, which is the first time that I see it or use it. But yeah, there are so many beautiful things that I want to try and see and experiment with the MacBook. I did hear some very great comments about it, but I want to test it out myself. So if you'd like to go more in depth, or if you'd like to see something specific, let me know. I'd be more than happy. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to use it. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope you have a great day. You guys want to remove this? Do you want to remove it together? Let's remove it. Okay. Let's do it. Boom. I'll go this time. Bye. Wait, guys, sorry. I just saw the sticker now, and it's black. Wow. That's so cool. Oh my god. So cool. Again, this is the first time me, looking at anything related to this because I didn't actually watch any videos or anything. I just read mainly, but I didn't know it comes with the black stickers. That's actually so cool. That's really nice. You know, the usual one is a silver one, or white one, sorry. Look at it, it's so edgy. Bye. Yeah, it's been a while since I've filmed. I forgot how to do anything. Okay, wait.